If you ever had or consider reporting a homeowner claim, if you experienced or if you are currently going through a broken sewer or drain line situation, if you are a home buyer, or even if you are a home seller and you need to understand the integrity of your sewer line before you purchase or sell your home, or if you are currently in need or needed services to protect your property from water damages, then you're in the right place. Thank you for tuning in to the official Drainco Difference podcast introduction. My name is Frank DeNoro, and it's a pleasure to be your host. This podcast will come with over a combined 10,000 sewer camera inspections, sewer line repair solution projects. It includes extensive water remediation experience through thousands of hands-on projects, and above the rest, the knowledge of how to navigate through the insurance claim process. Here we will talk about what happens when one of the most critical systems in your home fails, your sewer and drain system. The system that is generally ignored until there is a problem, which actually turns into a crisis, and how quickly that crisis can impact your home, your finances, and quite frankly, your peace of mind. We will talk about the proper way to protect your property from any additional damages and educate you from fear-driven predatory sales folks. A huge discussion topic will be the industry standard protocols of interior sewer line repairs, remediation, acceptable standards, and the inside track on the insurance adjuster's outlook to get you well prepared for that insurance adjuster's inspection and the insurance company's estimating methodology. This is a rare, all-view, 360 view, quite frankly, because of Drainco's extensive knowledge through every phase. The Drainco Difference podcast is here to revolutionize this industry by educating homeowners, cutting through misinformation, and turning hard-earned experience into a practical guide for homeowners to protect your property and your money and your peace of mind. So stay tuned for our first podcast edition on February 14th. Can't wait to see you there. But until then, through education, protection, and advocacy, this is the Drainco Difference.